So hello, assalamu alaikum. My name is Malam, and today we are going to discuss about the multiplication and division of a vector number. Okay. So previously, as you know, that previously we have discussed all the things about the vector. That what are the vectors? What is the difference between vector, scalar, and tensor quantities, or you can say numbers. Okay. So today we are going to discuss the multiplication and division. So for doing this, so we need what we say compass, you can say direction, north south. Okay, so as you can see, we have a first question which is saying that f is a vector which is moving towards the east. Okay, so how to solve this? So firstly we need to multiply this thing, like this vector to a number. Like if I multiply this to vector f, so it will become 2f. Okay, so the means the line will be like bigger but to the east side. Okay, like this. If I take like second question, we have a vector v which is moving towards the north. Okay, so we'll just multiply this v, like for example 3 into v, so it will become 3v. So it will, like what we say, first it was like about one box, but now it is like two box. Okay, according to like you can understand 3v vector. So what does it mean? Like it is very simple that the number is multiplying with other vector and it is just increasing. Remember one thing, whenever we are multiplying like positive, so that direction will be same, direction same, direction same, and magnitude different. Okay, magnitude different. If the like this is the first condition. Second condition will discuss. So as you can see that I have multiplied this number to the vector, but the size, like what we say, the magnitude is now changed, but the direction is still the same. Like it was going to the north, so now still it is going to the north. We're talking about the other case. So if you multiply, like for example we have a vector f which is moving towards the east, and if you multiply this number to minus 2, sorry, minus 2, so it will become minus 2f. Okay, minus 2f you can say. So the what will happen, the direction will be inverse, the direction will be opposite, so it will become 2f. The minus sign shows that the direction has changed, so we don't need to write here that minus 2f what. So we just write here, so it does mean it was going to the east, now it is going to the west. Okay, now what is the case between that? Like if I said you direction same and magnitude difference, if if the number multiplied by like positive. Second case is that direction will be opposite. Okay, and magnitude different, may be different, may be if the numbers are multiplying by negative number. So these are the case of that. Okay, now again see here we are going to do the multiplication. Oh sorry, we have done the multiplication, now we are doing the division. Okay, for like this we can write here, you can see that there is a vector that is going to the east side. Okay, so what if I divide this number to 2, like for example 30 minus 2, so is equal to 15. Okay, so it will become like 15, what we say, 15, it is 15 vector. In fact 15 is a vector obviously, and we just write here number, you can say 30f. Okay, 30 is a number and f we have a vector, so we can write like this, 15f is a vector. Now there are several conditions that most of the people think that it is basically like what we say, let me tell you the condition, that if you have the like compass. Okay, if you have the directions, so if the number multiplied by like if here if there is minus 30 and okay, no problem, it's still 30, so it will not move to the other direction, like it cannot change the direction. If you want to change the direction, you have to apply this multiplication rule. If you want to change direction, so you will apply the negative rule. Otherwise it will stay to the original or to the main point where it was. Okay, so that's the thing. Most of the people think that we can direction, that we can change the direction, that we can move towards this side. So it cannot happen in this case. Okay, so, so that is for today's, guys. I hope you understand all the things. Thank you so much.